Hi, I'm Debbie Maxwell.
I'm Norm Daly.
And this is going to be a teach of Forever and a Day, our new partner dance, 32 counts, no tags, no restarts. We hope you enjoy it. Okay, so we're going to be facing each other in hand-hold position. This is going to be opposite footwork throughout the whole dance. All right, so weight is on the lady's left, the gentleman's right. We're gonna rock to the side and do a cha-cha. So rock, recover, cha-cha-cha, rock, recover, cha-cha-cha. Now, gentleman is gonna go back, lady's gonna go forward on a rock, recover, cha-cha. So we're gonna rock, recover, cha-cha-cha. So you do come back a little bit, ladies, but not way, way back, because your next move is gonna go forward. So at this point in time, guys are kind of opening up their hands and their arms to prepare to walk you around in a circle. So we're gonna go walk, walk, cha, cha, cha. At this point, we're not quite facing inside or outside line of dance, we're facing an angle. I'm facing almost back rear line of dance, Norm's facing almost front line of dance, okay? Footwork's gonna change a little bit here because I'm going to turn. So ladies are gonna turn toward front line of dance and gentlemen are gonna turn a quarter toward the lady. So we're almost gonna be facing each other at this point in time. So we turn and we go a quarter. Okay, we're facing each other. The next turn, we're gonna let go of rear hands. I'm going to, this hand's coming up over my head because I'm gonna turn. I'm gonna step forward, turning rear, and Tom is gonna go behind. So I'm gonna step forward, turn behind. So I did a half turn. Now we're gonna let go of this hand and reconnect the other hand as I'm doing a half turn shuffle and he's doing a quarter turn shuffle. Quarter turn shuffle. All right, step, lock, shuffle. So step, lock, shuffle. Now we're gonna turn toward each other and do a side behind. Side, and we're gonna touch hands on here. We're gonna spring off of each other. So side behind, we're touching hands. We're gonna spring off. We're gonna go forward on a shuffle. Shuffle. Half turn pivot, so step forward, pivot away from each other, let go of hands, and another quarter turn toward each other with a side shuffle. Side shuffle. There you go. That's the whole dance. All right. So come over here. We'll do a counts. The whole thing with counts. Anything you want to jump in?
No.
I did a good job. Okay. So here we go. With counts. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, rock 1, 2, cha-cha 3 and 4, walk 5, 6, 7 and 8, turn 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. There we go. Forever and a day. We hope you enjoy the dance. Thank you.